So today we started by throwing up the joists for our front porch/walkway. That way we can easily walk in and out of the house. Then we pulled off the exterior window and siding so that we could build the roof for our new addition. We made sure that the angle of our new roof would match the angle of the old screen porch roof perfectly so that they would become one room. After that, I continued to work late because the most fulfilling way to live life is to do more than what's required. However, I got smited by a hurricane, but I kept going. I had to rebuild the screen porch wall because it was horrendously out of level, just like my camera. After this, I began to side my new wall. It turns out that holding a sheet of siding perfectly with one hand while nailing it with the other is a bit of a challenge. And once again, as I look toward the sky, the rain almost drowns me.